Hi, hello, I'm Dr.K.Poongothai, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. Now we are going to discuss about the topic marketing concept in the subject modern business management. Here, I think so you all know about the marketing. Marketing is one of the most important concept over here. So, in each and every business activity, marketing plays a most important or prioritizing needs over here. So, the first and primary concept of marketing is to satisfy the wants and needs of a customer. It is a primary focus of all the marketing activity. This concept was emerged in the mid of 20th century as a response to increasing the competitiveness and growth recognition of the importance of customer satisfaction. Here, the marketing includes all the activities involved in the creation of place, time, and possession utility. Place is a creativity when a goods and services are available at the place where the need and possession utility transferred from whom need them. So that is a marketing. Next, the marketing is a part of economics which deals with the creation of time, place, possession and utility over here. So time, place and possession is most important thing in a marketing. Here the place is that it gives create a making or goods or services available to the consumer at a place where such goods and needs goods are produced at one places but the goods are consumed in other places. So that is known as place utility. The next thing is time utility. In this time utility, it creates making the goods available at the time when they are needed. In the case of seasonal goods, goods are produced at a particular season but they are sold in another season or throughout the year. So this comes under the time utility. Next to that, we are going to the possession utility. Here the possession utility is transferring the goods to those who need them. Goods are transferred from the seller to the buyer on sales. So that is known as possession utility. So in this marketing, we are seeing about the three utilities over here. The first one is place utility and the second one is time utility and the third one is possession utility. So place utility, simple, we can say that consumed, that is produced the goods in one places but it consumed in a different places. Next to that, we are seeing about the time utility. Time utility is whenever, whatever, wherever we can buy it over there. The possession utility means it transfer the ownership from the buyer to the seller. So that is known as possession utility. The next is that objective of a marketing. Here the objective of marketing is that the first and foremost objectives is to satisfy the human wants. That is known as the customer or a consumer. Here we are having a major difference over here. A customer is a person who is entity to the product or goods from forms a business. Here the person who buys a product from one place to another place or who can buy a product from the shop, that person is known as a customer, and the consumer is a person who is using that product. So that is a person called as consumer. So here we are having a major difference over the customer and consumer. Customer who buys a product, the consumer who uses the product. So the first and foremost is that they have to satisfy the wants and needs of a customer. And also we are having features of a marketing. The first features of a marketing is to that distribution of goods and services, and the second one is delivery of standard of living, and third one is creation of utility, and the fourth one is generation of revenue. For each and every business, they have to earn a profit over here, and that is a secondary thing of a business. The first and foremost thing is that they have to satisfy the wants and needs of a human needs or a customer or a consumer. So next to that, they are going into a distribution of goods and services over here. Next one, they are delivered the standard of living and the creation of utility. After that they are generating a revenue over here. For each and every business, profit is also one of the main motive over here. So they are generating a business revenue from this process. So I think so you all know about that, you are understanding all about the marketing. So marketing is a main thing, it's a concept or combination of a creation or deals with the place, time and position of utility. Next to that, the objective of a marketing is that to the first one is they have to satisfy the wants and needs of a human. The next thing is a profit making. After that they are marketing their product and they have to make how the competitor is differ from us and how we have to compete them. That is all one of the thing in a business. And features of a business is to at last we are making a generation of a revenue over here. I think so that you are understand about the marketing and the place and time utilities over here and the objective of a marketing and the futures of marketing. Thank you. Thank you.